Hello guys, if you are looking for certificate in IT or any kind of domain and learn that course also. So you can actually come to Allison. I'm not promoting anything. It's actually you can learn something here and get certified. You can post these certificates on LinkedIn or the platform you are looking for. Suppose if you are going for IT, you can check here. There are thousands of courses available. You can go for intermediate level, you can go for fundamentals. This is Git fundamental, this is Microsoft Outlook. There are so many Microsoft Team Essentials, NFT, and many more. You can see there is no ending to the courses. You can even look for any type of course you want, not just programming, but all the kinds of courses. You can go for health, language. Suppose you are learning for a course like English or American Sign Fundamental, Italian. If you are learning for Japanese language or Korean language, you can go here also. So if you go for Japanese language, you can see here Japanese language introduction and other things, phrases, and you will be certified by that. That's all. Thank you for watching.